What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase Global with the ticker symbol COIN. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So Coinbase is still looking a little bearish. We had a massive sell-off followed by a small pullback, which can lead to another sell-off in the future. So as you can see here, we are bouncing off this, somewhat bullish trend line, as you can see here. However, at the same time, we're still below a downward sloping trend line. So a breakout is coming soon, as you can see here. The trend lines are, converging. And we are below this horizontal level that was prior resistance. It was resistance here, here, here. Price broke above, tested for support, went up, failed to continue higher, gap down lower, broke below level, and now we're below the level. So being below the level is not a good sign, and being below a trend line is not a good sign. So it could break out higher. I'd say it's the market participants are not sure themselves. That's why kind of the volatility has probably dried up. I'm pretty sure if I put a volume indicator on here, the volume would probably drop off as well. Just because I could see it in the size of the candles. Looks like the volume probably has dropped. That would be my assumption, and they're waiting for some sort of catalyst to take place, some sort of breakout. If we do break out higher, we're probably going to come back up to from the gap at 373. So we need to see a decisive break above 334. If we see a break of the bullish trend line, we're probably going to fall back all the way down to the 260s. That's where the move started. A lot of times when price has a huge move up, it comes right back to where it started. So that would be the target to the downside. I just don't know exactly which way it's going to go because it's not really telling me, because it can go both ways. As you can see, the trend lines are converging. But more than likely than not, I think it's slightly bearish. I think there's a downward bias for this price action. So we'll see how this develops for Coinbase. So that's all I see on the daily charts. Take a look at the weekly chart. Here's a look at the weekly chart, and we did hit the all-time highs, so that was prior resistance. Let's go and mark that. So there's a huge double top, you could say, and we sold off, saw a little bounce, and it could probably lead to even more lower prices. This looks like a big trading range, double bottom here, and then you could drag up to the highs. Looks like it's strong resistance there, or maybe even lower. Probably just extend it up, and we could be coming back in this range pattern. So let's see what happens. I think I think some traders buying off this level probably will get stopped out because it looks like we had a huge drop down to it, followed by a small bounce. It's probably just a long trap, and then there's a good chance we probably see a dump down lower. So Coinbase, it's in the make or break zone. If it doesn't rally soon, getting above the mid 300s, I think it's probably going to roll over back to the downside. So Coinbase, see how this develops. It just hit the prior all-time high. This could be a top. Who knows exactly, but it's not really trending up. It needs to reverse soon. If not, we're probably going to see a drop down lower. So that's for Coinbase Global on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.